preferred method of launching the IRB is to use 4 people. The driver positions themselves at the rear of the IRB on the left or port side. The crew will stand on the right or starboard side toward the front. 2 additional lifesavers should assist, one standing in front of the driver while the other stands behind the crew person. On the command of the driver, the team will lift the IRB, turn toward the oncoming waves and drag the motor and IRB to the launch position on the shoreline. All members now keep the IRB positioned square onto the waves, using their legs and body weight controlling from the handle. The driver will then start the engine, jump into the IRB, taking control of the motor, then instruct the crew person to get in when ready. The additional lifesavers will let go of the craft and move away as the driver launches out to sea. The lifesavers must ensure they stand clear of the motor and craft as it proceeds out to sea. The preferred method of managing an IRB returning to shore with a patient is to have 3 lifesavers in attendance to meet the craft on the shoreline. The centre lifesaver will manage signals to and from the IRB. The other lifesavers will ensure the landing area is kept clear of the public. On return to shore of the IRB, the centre lifesaver will manage the nose of the craft to keep it steady, while the other 2 lifesavers will take positions on the left or port side adjacent to the driver.
We have control of the boat.
The driver and crew person will now lift the patient onto the pontoon of the IRB, with the crew person on the shoulders and arms of the patient and the driver carrying the legs. Pickup is on the command of the driver. Once the patient is on the pontoon and steady, the 2 lifesavers standing by the IRB now take over the management of the patient by implementing a 2-person carry, moving the patient up to the dry sand for further assessment.
4 hands on the boat, rear handles, Scotty. 1 on the engine, lifting above the waterline. Lifting 1, 2, 3. Place it down and slide. Okay, you guys go off. Let's check the boat, Scott.